Hi, this is Kul from BioViz. So today I will tell you a story, or you can say a journey about the NEET. Okay, so let's start. Yeah. 2 years ago, I was sitting right here and teaching biological concept for the NEET. I gave NEET twice and also attempted IIT, which is now very popular one, and unfortunately I didn't clear them both. So this is not the end of that story. Okay. uh, from the beginning of my journey, I always like wanted to study the human brain, like how the human brain works, how it interacts with the other animals brain, how it interacts with the kind of different society. Okay, so that was my fascination. So I thought that the traditional clinical medicine path would be best for me, so I went for that. But after failing those exams, I realized that the traditional medicine path is actually not the real one. I mean, I, if I say honestly, like, I really don't have any passion to know, like, what kind of medicine will treat what kind of disease. I don't have a really passion for that, actually, if I say honestly. But I thought, for if I want to study the brain, then it would be best, so that's why I went for that. But after failing those exams, the secret I actually learned, that clinical medicine path is actually not the best one, who are actually willing to understand the core pure science, pure neuroscience. Okay, so that's the secret. And I, after that, I found out a path which is, for me, which is the my best. Intention from the day one was, day one has been always to become a neuroscientist. And like, failing those exams didn't like end that dream. Even if I say honestly, then it just gave me that freedom to chase that dream. So now I'm telling you that this channel is officially becoming a neuroscience hub. The purpose of the channel would be like the teaching and learning neuroscience. Okay, it's not going to be like, uh, if you do this and you will become this. It's not going to be like that. That's why I want that kind of learner who actually want to learn with me. Okay, so before we get into that real core topic of neuroscience, we need to have a real roadmap for that. Okay, so here is the question arrive, that how will you become a neuroscientist without going through a medical path? Yeah, so here is the blueprint. Step one is have a great or strong foundation on science subject. Okay, so I'm telling you the truth, that no matter which universities you are coming from, in which college you are studying, it doesn't matter. And it also doesn't matter that which subject you love. It can be physics, chemistry, biology, chemistry. The main thing is here that you need to have a great passion to know about neuroscience. Okay, so how will you do that? You, first of all, you need to build a strong foundation on whatever subject you love. Okay, so for example, if you do normal BSc course from any college, okay, from any college, it really doesn't matter. Actually, that college actually gives you that kind of content of that subject that actually will help you to build that strong foundation. Okay, now after doing BSc normal course, then in India you can find there are so many entrance exam happening all over the India for the research purpose. So the step 2 will be like give a research oriented entrance exam. It can be anything. There are so many exams like IIT JAM. You can find out. Then there's a UGC NET exams. They are all over exams all over in India. After clearing that particular research oriented exam, you will get into that research phase. That is the phase where you just stop reading the textbook and really start writing the science. Okay, you know, when I figure it out like this, I can't help but I laugh because how stressed I was at that phase when I failed those exams. I thought my whole life is about to end actually. But with time I actually overcome that. Yeah. And started a new journey. Right now I am actually at that step 1 with you guys and just want to learn, just want to build the foundation. As I learn the secret of the brain, then this is the channel where I will just break it down to you so that you can simply understand. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video.